Hi, my name is Svanborg and I want to share with you my experience of and contribution to innovation education. I was a compulsory school teacher or primary school teacher for almost 30 years, and in the last 10 years I taught innovation education. I was so happy to get to know and teach innovation education, as it seemed to engage most of the students, and most importantly engage the students who usually didn't like school. And I think that the beauty and magic of innovation education is that the core process is built on what the students find important, what they think should be made better or solved, and then to use the core methods to work on these problems or challenges and find solutions to them. Through the years, I conducted several workshops and courses for teachers and headmasters around Iceland about innovation education, how to teach it, and what conditions it needs. And I presented abroad as well. Then I wanted to learn more about how it could be developed and supported in school practice. So I conducted a master's research and later a doctoral study on innovation education. One of the main findings of my doctoral research is my analysis of the core pedagogy of innovation education. I analyzed the pedagogy as emancipatory pedagogy, which means that the teacher gradually moves from a controlling role to a supportive one, where the learners have agency and control. I started teaching at the University of Iceland School of Education as a lecturer and later professor, and I taught courses about innovation education or with innovation education as a core element. It turns out that the pedagogy of innovation education suits many subjects and areas of knowledge. At the university, I took part as a participant and also as a project leader in interesting and constructive European and international projects about creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. And finally, I want to mention that I have written and published extensively to help spread the knowledge about innovation education. Thank you for listening.